This morning for breakfast, I'm actually making some boiled dumplings and pumpkin. I actually made a lot of boiled dumplings so I can actually fry them afterwards, because you know fried dumpling bad. Well, fried boiled dumpling is very delicious. And then I am doing some vegetables with saltfish. So the saltfish is actually inside already. So saltfish. And now I am trying to get everything to hold inside the pot, and then it will steam down on its own. So this is what I am making for breakfast, or today's food in total. So I'll be back. Currently I have a small mountain, but you know, when you cover it and it steams, everything will draw down a bit, and then I'll get to stir it around. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it for a few minutes, and while the pumpkin will get to finish cooking, because the dumplings are already finished. So this is it. My carrots are actually cooked. Yeah. And as you can see, it has a lot of juice or water that has sprung. So now I just need to stir it. To me it seems a little bit fresh. I'm gonna top it off. A little bit more salt. Need a little flavor in my life. That should be good. So I'm gonna stir it. So this is us. The empty plate. And the cucumber was actually grown on my balcony. So I am very happy to be eating everything right now. So this is today's meal.